Hey, it's my friend Tasche here, and I want to thank you for coming to check out PostBlazer. Now, PostBlazer is a brand new course from Fletcher Prescott that's going to teach you how to make money with social media the right way. More specifically, it's going to teach you how to make money with Facebook pages. Now, you can learn all about PostBlazer on the sales page right here. So once my video is done, go ahead and check out the sales page and learn all about the product and what's all included. What I want to talk to you about right now is my bonus package I'm going to be offering you. When you take action, you grab your copy of PostBlazer through my link. So right here in this window that you see my video in, you're going to see a couple things below me. You're going to see a countdown timer, and then you're going to see a button also that says claim your bonus. If you click that button, it's going to take you to my bonus page where you can learn all about the bonus package I'm giving you for when you take action, you pick up your copy of PostBlazer through my link, through the link on this page. Now, that timer is going to tell you how long the bonuses are good for. It's also going to tell you how long the launch of PostBlazer is going to be. Now, PostBlazer is launching from the 14th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern through June 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. And once that timer below me hits zero, that means the launch is over, and also the bonuses are going to be pulled away. Also, PostBlazer is starting out at a low $12, and it's going to go up as high as $17 during the launch. So if you want to get the best price, you want to get in as soon as you possibly can, as soon as it goes live. Okay, so to secure the best price and to secure your bonuses, make sure you grab your copy from this page right away. So that, guys, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have an awesome day.